Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change display language in DramaWave application. To change your display language setting in DramaWave, launch or open the DramaWave application first on your device. Now, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. From the profile section, scroll down and tap on Display Language. Scroll through the available language options and select your preferred language from the list. After you do that, click on Done at the top right, and this will help you change your language to a different one. You can repeat this step and select a different language whenever needed. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DramaWave tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.